Stock photography. How to make money with your phone camera. Hook. I made $340 last month selling photos I took on my iPhone. And I'm not a professional photographer. Not even close. What I discovered is that stock photography platforms are literally begging for your phone pictures right now. And they'll pay you every single time someone licenses your image. Today I'm showing you exactly how to turn your camera roll into passive income. Intro. Before we go further, this isn't get rich quick nonsense. But here's what matters. While your money sits in a Roth IRA earning market returns, this is actual cash hitting your account from work you do once. That's the definition of passive income. And unlike most side hustles, you literally already have the equipment. Your phone. That's it. Part 1. Why this works right now. Stock photography is a multi-billion-dollar industry. Every single day, thousands of small businesses, marketers, and content creators need images. They don't have budgets for professional shoots. They go to platforms and buy licenses. Your photos compete directly with professionals. But here's the secret. They're not looking for perfect. They're looking for authentic, relatable, real-life moments. Right now, there's actually a shortage of certain types of photos. Diverse subjects, authentic workplace scenarios, real people doing real things. AI-generated images are flooding the market, which means human photographs are becoming more valuable, not less. Here's the business model. You upload a photo. Someone buys a license to use it. The platform takes a cut. You get paid. That payment happens whether you're sleeping, at your job, or literally anywhere else. I've made money from photos I took 2 years ago. Part 2. The platforms that actually pay. Let's talk real platforms with real payouts. First is Shutterstock. You upload unlimited photos. They pay you every time someone licenses one. I've made roughly $120 a month there with about 30 submitted photos. That's $4 per image monthly on average. Not life-changing alone, but scale it. Alamy is second. Higher royalty rates, sometimes up to 50%. But they're stricter about quality and they take longer to approve. My 5 best performing photos on Alamy made about $90 last month. Getty Images owns iStock. More competitive, but huge reach. Lower per image payouts typically. But volume makes up for it. Adobe Stock. If you use Adobe products anyway, this is seamless. They pay monthly and the interface is clean. FOP is interesting because it's mobile first, literally built for phone photographers. Lower barrier to entry, smaller payouts, but faster approvals. Here's my strategy. Don't go all in on one platform. I use 3 simultaneously. Different platforms have different buyers, different needs, different approval standards. More platforms equals more money. Part 3. What actually sells? This is where most people fail. They upload random vacation photos and wonder why nobody buys them. Successful stock photos solve a problem for a buyer. First category. Lifestyle and business. People working. People collaborating. Remote work setups. Small business owners. These sell constantly because every company needs website imagery. A simple photo of someone at a desk with a coffee mug might seem boring to you. It's money to someone running a marketing campaign. Second, diversity and representation. Companies are actively seeking photos with diverse subjects, different ages, different abilities. This is intentional. They're paying a premium for it because it matters for their brand. If you can authentically capture diverse moments, you've found a gold mine. Third, close-up details, textures, hands, everyday objects in interesting light. A macro shot of coffee being poured, someone's hands typing, a plant on a desk. These seem insignificant but get licensed constantly for blog posts, articles, social media. Fourth, nature and seasons. sunsets, rain, snow, spring flowers, timeless, always in demand. What doesn't work? Blurry photos. Photos of people who don't consent to commercial use. Anything copyrighted or trademarked. Obviously staged stuff that looks fake. The money reality. Let me be honest about scale. One photo won't make you rich. But 50 photos consistently earning $2 monthly each equals $100. 300 photos equals $600 monthly. That's genuine passive income. 5,000 photos across platforms? We're talking $2,000 to $4,000 monthly without touching anything. The time investment is minimal once uploaded. Maybe 2 hours weekly to take new quality photos and submit them. Action steps. Step 1. Download the FOAP app today. Zero friction. Immediate feedback. Step 2. Spend this week taking intentional photos. People, workspaces, details, nature. Step 3. Submit batches to 3 platforms simultaneously. Step 4. Keep uploading. Consistency matters more than perfection. Closing. This isn't replacing your job. This is actually passive income. Real money. Real consistency. The best part? You've already got everything you need. If you want more ways to build actual wealth, subscribe. We drop new strategies weekly. N225, 850 words.